Let's see about the human skeletal system. Human skeleton serves the framework of the body. This framework consists of many individual bones and cartilages. The skeleton is made up of 206 bones. It contributes to the form and shape of the body. Let's see them one by one. The skull. The skull forms the protective cavity of the brain. Let's see the bones that constitutes the shoulder joint. The clavicle, which is also called as the collarbone. The scapula, also known as the shoulder blade. It is the bone that connects the clavicle to the humerus. It's a triangular bone. The humerus. Humerus is the bone that forms the upper arm and joins it to the shoulder and forearm. These bones together forms the shoulder joint. The rib cage. The rib cage surrounds the lungs and the heart, serving as an important means of bony protection for these vital organs. Rib cage is formed by sternum, costal cartilages, ribs, and thoracic vertebra. The ribs are a set of 12 paired bones and forms the protective cage of thorax. The bones of arm and forearm. It consists of humerus, ulnar, and radius. The humerus is the largest bone in the upper extremities. The forearm consists of two bones, the ulnar and the radial bone. Ulnar is the longest and thinnest bone compared to the radial bone. As we know, forearm consists of two bones, the radial and ulnar bone. To avoid confusion as to know which side is ulnar and radial bone, let's assume a hand is in supine position, that is, the palm of the hand facing the sky. The bone that is towards your body, that is the ulnar bone. The bone on the other side is the radial bone. Bones of the hand. Hand consists of two types of bones, the carpal and the metacarpal bones. The carpal bones are also known as wrist bones. There are 8 carpal bones on each hand. The metacarpal bones are also known as palm bones. They are the appendicular bones that form the intermediate part of the hand between the phalanges, that is the fingers, and the carpal bones which articulates with the forearm. Next is the vertebral column. Vertebral column is also known as the backbone or the spine. The vertebral column consists of 5 segments of bone altogether to form the 33 vertebra. The pelvic or the hip bone. The pelvic bone consists of 3 types of bone, the ilium, ischium, and pubis. These 3 together fuse to form the pelvis. The bones of the lower limb. The lower limb consists of the femur, patella, tibia, fibula, tarsal, and metatarsal bones. Let's see them one by one. The femur is the longest and strongest bone of the human body. This is a single bone of the thigh. Bone of the lower leg. It consists of 2 bones, tibia and fibula. Tibia is present in the inner side of the leg. Fibula is present in the outer side of the leg. Patella is also known as the kneecap. It sits in front of the knee joint. Tibia is also known as the shin bone. Tibia is thicker bone when compared to fibula. The bones of the foot. Foot consists of 2 types of bones, the tarsal and the metatarsal bones. There are 7 tarsal bones in each foot. The metatarsal bones are 5 long bones that is located between the tarsal bones that is near the ankle and the phalanges which is the toe bones. These bones form the human skeletal system.